I am so excited to bring you a Walmart haul today that's going to be all about free assembly. This is my favorite brand at Walmart, and I love the pieces that they just released. So I ordered a bunch. You can see it all back there. So there will be a lot in this video. Everything will be linked and time stamped in the description for you. And you'll also see links in the view products that pops up on your screen. And so thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind. So all of these items are going to be really good casual basics for your wardrobe, which is really what free assembly is all about. And so I want to talk about this Henley T-shirt because I'm always looking for T-shirts that are a little bit more elevated, and this one totally fit the bill. So I feel like I could throw this on and I don't have to put a whole lot of effort in the outfit, and it looks really cute. And so this is a cotton spandex through the body of the shirt, and then the sleeve is 100% cotton. And it is so comfortable, so well made. And I will point out the buttons because they are white, and so I think they look really good. And I'll show you the back of it. But I think this is a great option. It's $16 and it comes in black and white if you do not like the green. And then I want to tell you about the pants because these are a very cool cargo pant, and cargo pants are very on trend. So you will find a little bit of trendiness in a lot of these pieces because they're just basic pieces that have a little bit more style to them. And this one is a 27-inch inseam. I did measure it and it is 27 inches, and it's supposed to be an ankle length. So if you are taller than 5'4", these will probably fit you the way they should, although I don't mind them longer. And if I wanted to, I could just have them hemmed because they do not come in petites. But these are a linen and rayon blend, so they're pretty soft and really comfortable. And they did a great job because they are white and they're not super see-through. And so you can wear some nude underwear with these and I think you're going to be totally fine. And I do think they come in a black, and I know they come in a denim as well. And so if you don't like the white, definitely look at the other colors because I think this is a good option, especially if you don't like wearing shorts. And these are only $26 and they're a really, really good fit, and they are true to size. Both of these items are true to size and they fit really, really well. So this item is a little bit dressier than the rest of the items in this video, but it has a casual feel to it, and meaning it's just really comfortable for something that looks so nice. And I love the styling of this. I love the puff sleeve with the peplum hem here. I think it helps balance the blouse. And this blouse can be worn two different ways. So you can wear it tied like I have worn it here, or you can wear it as a halter style and tie it around your neck. So I think that's cool that you can do two different things with this. And the eyelet is very classic, although it's on trend right now. It's something that can stay in your closet for a really long time. And this also has smocking in the back, which helps with movement and helps with the comfort of the item. So a lot of thought was put into this top. So for $26, and then two ways that you can wear it, and it fitting so perfectly, which it is true to size, and also it comes in black. So I think you have some really good options with this top. And then I want to show you the skirt really quickly that I put on with it because I've talked about this one before, but it's still available. It's a free assembly midi denim skirt for $24, and it just fits so perfectly, and it is true to size. So both pieces are great. I thought they were cute together, although I would also put on maybe a slim straight pant or jean with this top to dress it up and go to dinner. So I'm going to run through the rest of the tops that I got and just keep these pants on because they pretty much all go with these pants. And so the next one is this really cute ruffle cotton button-up shirt. And the ruffles on this are so cute. You're going to find them on the collar and then the ruffle sleeve. So if you have more narrow shoulders, this is perfect for you. Or if you're pear shape and need to add a little bit up here, then this will help balance. So I love this. I think it's adorable. And with it being 100% cotton, it is just so easy to wear. And the shape is really nice. So it's not oversized. It does have a high-low hem, so it is a little bit longer in the back. But this is totally doable to kind of roll the back up and tie in the front, or you could completely tuck it in if you wanted to, or just front tuck it, and it works. So I love the versatility of this one. It comes in white and a floral, and it's just one of the most perfect spring summer tops that you could buy that can go with lots of different bottoms. So I think this is one of my absolute favorite tanks that I've ever had. It's $14, cotton and spandex, and it just has the cutest ruffle here. So I love all of these feminine touches, which are really on trend right now. And this one is a color called Andorra. So it's a little bit of a reddish brown and then a light blue stripe. So I loved this color combination. I thought it was gorgeous. And so this is one of my favorites. And I did buy it in a size up. So I got it in a small because it is a ribbed knit. A lot of times when you see ribbed knits, they're going to be really clingy. And I just don't like my stuff really clingy, especially in the summertime when it gets 100 degrees. And so it does provide a little bit of looseness without being too big. So this one I would probably size up unless you like your items to be pretty fitted. But really good deal. Love this and think I will be wearing this all summer long. So the next item is this denim jacket. And I could not have been more excited about an item ever because it's a puff sleeve denim jacket. And I have been looking for one for a few years. And let me just tell you, all the ones I have tried have been super duper puffy in the shoulders and made my arms look bigger, and they're just not flattering. And this one I thought was so flattering because they kept the puff sleeve to a minimum and they didn't make the sleeve that comes down here super ginormous like everybody else did. And so this is $32. It's cotton and spandex. It's a really lightweight denim, so it feels really good. And I just thought it was the perfect denim jacket that has a little bit of a trendy touch to it. And I'm going to wear this all spring and summer long. So it's definitely one of probably the favorite piece in this entire haul for me, just because I have looked so long for one that fits well. And this one is just so incredibly cute and so easy to wear. And I think everybody needs one. So I was really surprised by this cardigan because I'm not a big cardigan fan, like I've said, but this one is just so well made, and I can wear it as a top or I can wear it layered if I want to, with just a little white tank top underneath it. But I thought this would be a good option for the 4th of July, especially if you want to be a little bit nicer looking than just wearing a t-shirt. And I love how they created this one with the red just being on the trim on all the outskirts of the cardigan. And so that makes it really cute in my opinion. But if you don't like the stripes, they had lots and lots of other colors, so definitely check it out. I think there were probably 6 or 7 colors in this. And my 2 other favorites were the red and then the Andorra color, which is that really kind of reddish rich brown. And it's $22, rayon and polyester. And I did go a size up because it is a knit and I did want it to be a little bit looser. So this is a really good basic. If you need a basic, look at the black and white or navy. I think they had those 3. So this is a really good one for the spring and summer, especially with it being short sleeves. So you can never have too many button-up shirts, right? I know that's true for me, but I'm always looking for some that have a little bit more style to them. And this one absolutely does. I love that it's a blue and white stripe, which is the new trend for button-up shirts. And it's more of a crop length. So a lot of button-up shirts are oversized or long. And I think when you are a little bit more of a petite person, a cropped length is very hard to find. And so I snatched this one up because of that. And it has a really fun sleeve on it, which you don't really notice online. And the sleeve actually has some pleating in it at the cuff. So if you can see that, because there's a lot of material here and then it gathers at the cuff. And I just think it gives it a much more on trend look, and it's really, really fun. So if you want a button-up shirt that's a little bit different, this would be a good way to go. And it's $22, 100% cotton, and it does come in a white and a red and white stripe. So whatever it is that you are missing, or if you want to add that stripe, I think both options are really, really cute. So I loved the blue and white, but I definitely think the red and white would be a good option as well. So I thought this $12 halter tank top was a really good option for the summertime, especially if you live in really hot weather like I do. It's cotton and spandex, so it is that clingier material, so I did size up to a small in it. But I love the style. I think it's so flattering, and it does come a little lower in the back. And I just have a strapless bra on, so that's super easy to wear with something like this. And it is navy and white, but it also comes in solid white, solid navy, and solid red. So you have some good options there. And then I have on these shorts because I think these shorts are adorable. I've been waiting on these to be delivered, and they just got delivered. And they are that cargo style like the pants I showed you earlier. And these do come in a white and a black, which are the Rayon Linen blend like the pants, but these are actually 100% cotton. And I loved that about them. They are a 3.5-inch inseam, so that gives you a little bit more length than the 3-inch that's usually really, really short. And they're very roomy and comfortable. So if you like wearing summer shorts, these would be a really good option. And I think they were only $22, which is also great. So you cannot beat some of these items. I think they are pretty wonderful for your summer wardrobe. So I have 3 dresses that I want to show you and a romper at the end. And this is the first dress I want to show you. It's just a cotton eyelet short little dress that is very roomy. So if you like comfortable roomy dresses, you would love this. But the little details of the eyelet and then the square neckline and the beautiful sleeve that it has on it, I think makes it a little bit special. And so it also has pockets, which makes it really good in my opinion. And it also has a lining in it, which you can't always find even in expensive dresses. And so this one I thought was really cute. And it also comes in black and red. I think the red might be close to sold out, but I thought this green was really, really pretty. And green is the big color trend. And I also have these bracelets on that I wanted to show you because these are, I think, $5.88 plus tax. And I have silver and I have gold in them. And it's just 3 bracelets that are they're just all wound together and just super easy and fun to wear. You just slip them on and off. They're a little bit big on me because I have small wrists, but I thought they were a lot of fun for a little accessory that's on trend for the summer. So this is an awesome cotton maxi dress that is $32, and it's a super lightweight, breathable cotton, and I love the length. And it is not a midi, so midi is mid-calf. It's maxi, so it's a little bit longer, but it's not too long, which I like. And it has pockets, which is awesome. The stripes are actually vertical, so they are very flattering on the body. And it has the belt over an elastic waist, but if you wanted to swap out the belt, you could, but I think the belt is really cute. And then the neckline of the dress, I love that they made it a V-neck with a little bit of ruffle, and then the ruffle sleeve really helps balance the larger, the A-line skirt on the bottom. So this one I think is just a really good dress if you want a very feminine, very pretty dress. And if you don't like the stripes, then you could absolutely do this in white because I have it available in white. But I'll get a close-up of the top part of the dress because it is so pretty and flattering. So this is the knit tank dress, which is very similar to the tank tops that you saw, just in a midi dress. And I think it's really comfortable. I did size up to a small since it is really fitted. And it also comes in that brown and blue combination like the tank top, and I think it comes in a solid black. So if you don't love the stripes, there is a solid option. But it's a really great dress. I love the slit in the side because it just makes it easier to move in. It's really stretchy and comfortable and breathable because it's cotton. And I would actually love to wear it with a denim jacket over it and some sneakers. So I thought I would show you the denim jacket over it because you don't have to wear it by itself. But I think this is great for just a casual outfit, or you could wear the dress by itself to the beach or on vacation or to the pool. So I do think, you know, you have some good options for a casual dress like this. And for $16, I just don't think you can beat that. So if you love rompers or jumpsuits, this is definitely something that you should have. This also came in a green and I think maybe a white, and those were both rayon and linen, where the denim one was cotton. And so I ended up getting the cotton because I love this denim. I thought it was great in the little shorts, and so I ordered the romper. And this is a utility romper, so it does have a few more pockets to it than normal. But I will say I have a very expensive utility romper that I got last year that was over $150. That probably doesn't even fit me as well as this one does. And this one's $28. And so I don't know how they do it, but Walmart, you've done a really good job. And I absolutely recommend this one, especially if you love these types of things for the spring and summer. And I want to point out the buttons because they're tortoiseshell and they look really nice with the denim. So this is probably my second favorite piece in this haul. And I try to do a lot of different pieces for you guys so you can see different things for different body shapes and maybe something that you would like. So I try to do like all different pieces across the board. So I hope you enjoyed all of these pieces and they gave you some ideas of some things that you could use for spring and summer. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and everything will be linked for you in the description and in the View Products link on YouTube. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time.